grew up in Southern Oregon in a cattle and sheep ranching family that also was in the heavy construction and aggregate processing industry. Started an excavation and utility business when I was 24 years old. About 5 years later, was growing that business pretty well and bought my first home. It had a foundation issue. Because of that foundation issue, the home was considerably more affordable than all the other houses in the neighborhood. Rather than go and hire somebody to fix it, I decided I would find out how to do it myself. So after doing a little bit of research and realizing that there was quite a bit of a marketplace in Oregon, I decided I'd just start a whole other company. And it has grown and grown and grown since then. TerraFirma will do about 4,000 projects this year. The majority of those would be residential, but we also do a large amount of commercial work as well. We do structural stabilization, waterproofing, humidity control, and concrete stabilization. I think the Better Business Bureau has been around longer than any other platform for customers to exchange information and check on the credibility of contractors. And the fact that we've been a member of the Better Business Bureau basically from the beginning, I think sets us apart from some of the other companies that maybe haven't been around as long and don't quite have as good a reputation.
We always try to work with integrity. We always try to do the best that we can to be communicative and be responsive with our employees, and that translates into what we do with our customers too. The investment that people make in TerraFirma is incredibly expensive, both emotionally and financially, and we take that very seriously. And we want to hire the people that are going to go in and they're going to nurture that kind of empathetic mindset.
I think we're right in alignment with the values that the Better Business Bureau has. Top priority being integrity. We're really trying to redefine our industry, doing the things that we can do right, showing up on time, leaving the customer with a proposal that's the exact price, offering a price that's not a ballpark figure, but it's a firm bid, honoring that, offering a guarantee or warranty that's not even found in the industry. When
I got into this business, what I understood was we were all about value. And that was really kind of the core principle that we grew this company. Our entire company culture is about doing what's right and providing a lot of value to a customer. We go above and beyond. And this company's made up of a couple of hundred wonderful, hardworking human beings. But human beings occasionally make mistakes. And I think that's one of the biggest things that sets us apart from anybody else in our industry, is that we embrace and own a mistake if it's made. And our customers who could understandably be upset if a mistake was made on a project, the response and the reaction that we get when we stand up like we said we were going to do, we come in and we fix the problem, we follow through on it, we stay with them the whole time. It's been amazing. I mean, we've had so many people who thought they were going to have to be upset with us who ended up being our biggest flag-waving supporters, and that's really one of those things that gets me out of bed the next day.